In this video, I will show you how to fix Blink camera not connecting to sync module. Some home electronics may interfere with your Wi-Fi signal, preventing the Blink camera from connecting. Try temporarily disconnecting devices like smart thermostats, baby monitors, microwaves, refrigerators. Once the setup is complete, you can reconnect these devices. If it doesn't help, try using another phone or tablet to set up your Blink camera. If it also doesn't help, restart your mobile device, delete and reinstall the Blink app. If the issue still persists, turn off mobile data and use only Wi Fi. Disable any VPN or antivirus app. If the issue continues, move the sync module closer to the router, but not closer than 3 feet. Disconnect any Wi Fi extenders or mesh access points. If it also doesn't help, remove the batteries for 10 seconds, then reinsert them and try again. If the issue still continues, if you see a sync module offline banner in the Blink app and it does not resolve itself, visit Blink's support page. If none of these steps work, contact Blink support for further assistance. So, that's it. I hope this guide helped you fix the Blink camera connection issue. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.